Hello and welcome to the podcast on homologous structures. We talk a little bit about the structures that we can look at to examine some of the similarities and yet some of the differences in relation to evolution. So if you have a knowledge of root words, if you were to break down the word homologous, homo means same. So the structures that may appear to be somewhat the same. So for example, two of the most common bones that we look at are the radius and the ulna. Right here. Right there. Those bad boys. You see those? Oh yeah. And so we see the radius and the ulna, other organisms dealing with the arm as well, in different organisms, not just in humans. And so we can look and identify those structures. So those structures are the same, meaning they have the same name, and we can find them in different organisms. Now, do they have the same function? Well, no, not really. What's the same about them is their presence. But what is different is their function and also the size of these structures. So, let's try to put this together. Let's think. If it's the same but has a different function, that means it might have been conserved over time, meaning passed down from organism to organism. And it might have been modified as it got passed down. It might have changed over time. Oh my gosh, I think it might be evolution. So those structures got passed down, changed, got modified, and so now we can look back and see the same structures that have developed into different functions, different lengths in different animals. And so that's evidence, the fact that we can see those same structures, but yet we can see and track their changes and how those have happened over time. That lets us know that evolution has taken place. And it's just one of the many pieces of evidence for evolution that we currently have.